Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working on your HMD ARC. First, clean the microphone port at the bottom near the headphone jack with a non-metallic tool. Make sure it is clean so the microphone isn't blocked. Test the mic using a voice recorder app or open the camera app and switch to video recording. Start recording for a few seconds, then end it and check if you can hear the audio. If it's not working, restart the phone to refresh the system as it may be a glitch. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. The phone is restarting. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software or factory reset your phone. Go to Settings, scroll down to System, and check for system updates. If you're not on the latest version, update to remove old glitches. If issues persist, go to Reset Options and erase all data. This will delete everything, so make sure to back up your data first. Backed up, proceed with the reset. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like, subscription, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.